We're sublimation crafters. Of course we have more blanks than we could ever use.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course our printer is low on ink.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course I can never find my lint roller.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we have a box of projects that didn't turn out.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we have too many heat presses.
We're sublimation crafters.
Of course we have multiple pairs of heat-resistant gloves.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we have to include something we made in every gift that we give.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we have an endless supply of butcher paper.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we check the labels for polyester content on all the stuff we buy.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we have a fire extinguisher on hand, just in case.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we have blanks that we've had for years that we've never used.
We are sublimation crafters. Of course we have pads and sheets for every type of sublimation project imaginable.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we use our own sublimated tumblers to drink from.
We're sublimation crafters. Of course we have multiple sizes of sublimation paper.